Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences with using the product service. We're taking a look at www.mtb.com, a website dedicated to all things mountain biking. Whether you're a seasoned pro ripping down technical trails or a newcomer just starting to explore the world of off-road cycling, mtb.com appears to be a comprehensive resource. Navigating the site, you'll discover a wide range of content, including articles on bike maintenance, gear reviews, trail guides, and even race reports. The layout seems user-friendly, allowing for easy exploration of different categories and topics. While I haven't delved into every corner of the site, my initial impression is positive. The website appears to offer valuable information for mountain bikers of all levels. From detailed explanations of suspension setup to inspirational stories of epic rides, mtb.com seems to have something for everyone passionate about this exhilarating sport. It's worth noting that the site also features a forum where users can connect, share tips, and ask questions. This community aspect could prove invaluable for those seeking advice or looking to connect with other riders. Furthermore, the site seems regularly updated with fresh content, indicating a dedicated team committed to keeping the information relevant and current. During my browsing, I noticed a section dedicated to showcasing the latest mountain bike technology and innovations. This is particularly useful for staying up to date on the ever-evolving world of cycling equipment. Finally, the website's design is visually appealing, with high-quality images and videos that further enhance the user experience. Overall, based on my initial exploration, mtb.com appears to be a valuable online resource for mountain biking enthusiasts of all skill levels. I encourage you to check it out and see for yourself.